Skysail community. I'm just doing a quick drive-by, just a quick update, visual update for the entrance of this community, and then I will follow up with more details once I get together with the sales associate that I've spoken with for this community. I can get you more information and get into the sales office once I make the appointment to get that done. So just a quick preview. It's going to be a gorgeous, beautiful community. You see here, they are working big, beautiful. Look at this lake. Oh my goodness. Very nice. Out of here, because I don't have an appointment yet. This is just a quick drive through. Started to be built, so I won't have much information until I meet up with the sales associate here that I have spoken to already. Just have to get the appointment with her and get things rolling and get you more information on the Skysail community. This is being built by Neal community. So I'll catch up with you later. This is Michelle, your Naples realtor here in Naples, Florida. This is off of one road also, I should tell you. So I'll catch up with you guys later. You have a beautiful, blessed, wonderful day, and I will have more info for you for this community, new community coming up in the Northeast Naples area, Skysail. See you soon. Bye.